Hello, good morning students. I am Dr. Sunita Tandon from RR College Alwar. I am today starting the lecture number 15 of Chemical Kinetics for MSc final students, and now today we are starting with we have to study the rate equation for uncompetitive inhibitions. Before this we starting this, we will revise the content of the last lecture. In this we have studied about uncompetitive inhibition. In this, primary plot between 1 upon r and 1 upon s gives straight line at different but fixed concentrations of inhibitors. This plot is a primary plot of uncompetitive inhibition and is considered to be the exceptional characteristics for identification. In this case, we get into intercept effect but not the slope effect. Rate equation for non-competitive inhibition in both the enzyme and enzyme substrate complex bind inhibitors. The following model results: enzyme E combines with substrate with a rate constant of K1, K2. This is reversible reaction and it forms ES complex. ES complex with rate constant K3 converted into product and enzyme is regenerated. This is one of the pathway of the reaction. In next pathway, ES जो है enzyme and substrate, they combine with inhibitor I with a rate constant of Ki with reversible reaction and form EI. Similarly, ES complex, which is formed in the forward reaction by combination of E and S, it combines with I to form ESI complex. And this ESI complex further gives no reaction, but in a backward reaction ESI, it will give you EI. Both of the inhibitors binding steps are assumed to be at equilibrium but with different dissociation constants. So Ki is equal to EI upon EI is equal to equation number 1, or EI is equal to E into I upon Ki. Ki dash K dash I is equal to ES concentration into I into ESI, equation number 2. The phenomenon is alternating called as mixed inhibition or non-competitive inhibition. The conversation conditions for this relation scheme is ET is equal to E in concentration of E plus concentration of EI plus concentration of ES plus concentration of ESI. This is equation number 3. Put the value of 1 and 2 in equation 3. We get ET is equal to E I 1 plus concentration of I upon value of Ki plus ES concentration bracket closed 1 plus 1 upon Ki K dash I. This is equation number 4. Or ET is equal to E alpha plus ES is alpha dash. This is equation number 5. Here 1 plus I concentration upon Ki and alpha dash is equal to 1 plus I concentration upon Ki dash. Apply steady state condition for ES, we get d by dt of ES or K1 ES minus K2 into ES or K1 E concentration S concentration is equal to ES concentration into in bracket K2 plus K3. Now from this E concentration is equal to K2 plus K3 into ES concentration divided by K1 into S concentration. Now E concentration is equal to K2 plus K3 upon Ki into ES concentration divided by substrate concentration. Here we divided the equation by K1. So lower K1 is cutted with the Ks with S concentration and K2 and K3 divided by K1. Now E is equal to Km. We have converted K2 K3 into K1 because we want to substitute here with Michaelis-Menten constant. This is equal to Km into concentration of ES upon concentration of S. From equation 5 and 6, put value of E and take common. Then we get equation ET is equal to ES concentration bracket में alpha Km upon S concentration plus alpha dash. This is equation number 7. As we know that R is equal to K2 into ES. So R comes out to be K2 into ET into S concentration divided by alpha into Km plus alpha dash substrate concentration. Defining K2 into ET is equal to R maximum. R is equal to R maximum into S concentration alpha Km plus alpha dash S. This is equation number A. The Weber-Burke equation or double reciprocal equation for mixed inhibition is 1 upon R is equal to alpha Km upon R maximum 1 upon substrate concentration plus alpha dash upon R maximum, equation number 9. It is seen from equation number 8 that the denominator has the factor alpha multiplying Km as in competitive inhibition and factor alpha dash multiplying S concentration as is uncompetitive inhibition. Rate equation for uncompetitive inhibition. Rate for uncompetitive inhibition. In this inhibitor decides directly to enzyme substrate complex, not to full enzyme substrate that E plus S. It will give you ES. It will give you ES into K3 into P plus E. This combines with I to form K dash I and ESI. This will give no reaction. The dissociation constant for inhibitor building step, that is K dash I, that is K dash I is equal to ES into I upon ESI into, this is equation number 1. The conversion condition is ET is equal to E plus ES plus ESI, equation number 2. Under steady state condition of ES concentration of d by dt of S, ES is equal to K1 E into S minus K2 ES concentration minus K3 ES concentration equal to 0, or E is equal to Km into ES concentration upon S concentration, equation number 3. From equation number 1, 2 and 3, we get ET is equal to ES concentration into Km upon S concentration plus 1 plus I upon K dash I concentration, equation number 4, where alpha is equal to 1 plus I upon K dash I. ET is equal to ES Km upon S concentration plus alpha dash, equation number 5. ES concentration is equal to ET into S upon Km into alpha dash S. This is equation number 6. According to rate equation, rate is equal to K2 into ES concentration, equation number 7. From equation 6 and 7, rate is equal to K2 ET into S divided by Km alpha dash S. Here K2 into ET is equal to R maximum divided by S. So R is equal to R maximum Km upon S plus alpha dash. Upon rearrangement gives in Michaelis-Menten equation for uncompetitive inhibition, and this is R is equal to R max into S upon Km plus alpha dash S concentration, equation number 9. Irrespective of this equation indicates that at high value of concentration as R asymptotically approaches to R maximum upon alpha dash, so that in contrast to competitive inhibitors on R maximum are not reversed by increasing the substrate concentration. At low substrate concentration, that is S is less than Km, effect of an uncompetitive inhibition becomes negligible. Again, the opposite behavior of competitive inhibition. Double reciprocal form of equation 9 is 1 upon R is equal to Km upon R plus 1 upon Km upon R maximum into 1 upon substrate concentration plus alpha dash upon R maximum. So student, today we are completing this section of your course, and we will study the next lecture in next lecture which I will told you, and we will do the needful. Thank you so much.